We're in the process of restoring this indoor soccer field in Ronkonkoma, New York. We are replacing the wall and ceiling netting. We're also going to replace the turf on the floor. This was done about 20 years ago. They also used a block infill. Our new turf is going to be the zero infill with the cushion installed below. The job will be done in stages. We are going to replace the turf. We're in the process of removing the old turf and all the infill down to the bare concrete. Turf has been here for about 20 years. In the process of installing the turf, we are laying down the next. It's a suspension product. It keeps the grass elevated from the touching the concrete, and also works as a suspension system. Start with the first row. The indoor soccer field in Ronkonkoma, New York has been completed. We replaced the old turf that was installed for over 20 years. The turf had a rubber infill. This place smelled like rubber for the past 20 years. We just completed the installation and you cannot even smell the rubber anymore. The new turf that we used is manufactured in Italy. This company supplies and builds most of the sports court and soccer field throughout Europe and all over the world. This turf is a special turf, specifically made for indoor. It requires no infill. We only used some silica sand to create weight over the turf. But the turf itself has all different sizes of piles, heights, and shapes. Makes a very tight. The underlayment that we use is a product called Next. It works as a suspension and also separates the turf from touching the concrete. We replaced all the overhead netting and cables. They were all sagging. The court was striped with 4 inches white lines. This is the latest indoor sports court built by Gappsi on Long Island, New York.